everybody, my name is Ava Boykin, and today we have two special guests, Mommy Hello Kitty and Baby Hello Kitty. Today we're going to be adding 3 and 4 two-digit numbers. We're going to draw a line in between the numbers. So let's do it. There. And we're going to be doing problem 3. Okay. 1 plus 9 is 10. And then write a line. And 4, 14. So write 4 down here. Carry the 1. And let's count on the 10 side now. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. So 54. Now we're going to be adding 4 two-digit numbers. Now we have to draw the line so we can divide the tens and the ones column. So first we can do
what column are you going to start off with?
The ones. So first we will count. 6 plus 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. And then 5 plus 1 is 6. So 10 and 6 is 16.
So what number are you going to bring down?
The 6.
And you're going to carry the 1 to what column?
The tens. So now we can count in the tens column. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 1 more is 4. So we have 3 and 4, 5 and 4.
Don't forget to write your numbers on the side so we can know.
So 6, 5, and 4 equal 9. So 96.
Then you gotta add your 1. The one that's carried over.
And then this goes into this group. So all together we have 9. So 96.